Picture this, a rugged SUV that's equally at home navigating the wild backcountry as it is cruising through urban jungles. That's the promise of the all-new 2025 Jeep Compass, a reinvention of one of Jeep's most versatile models, now packing the tech, design, and powertrains to meet the demands of a shifting automotive world. Taking cues from Jeep's smaller but striking Avenger, the 2025 Compass sports a bold new look with recessed headlamps, squared-off wheel arches, and chunky all-terrain tires. These features aren't just for show, they hint at the vehicle's adventurous spirit and off-road prowess. While Jeep has yet to confirm if this model will earn the coveted trail-rated badge, the rugged trims are expected to dominate their class in off-road capability, excelling in traction, ground clearance, and water fording. Beneath its tough exterior lies a versatile lineup of powertrains designed to meet a range of needs. Hybrid variants combine a turbocharged 1.2-liter engine with a 21-kilowatt electric motor and a smooth 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing an efficient yet capable drive. For those ready to embrace the electric revolution, the Compass offers EV options ranging from a 160-kilowatt single-motor configuration to a dual-motor 240-kilowatt powerhouse. The mid-range EV steals the show with an impressive 700-kilometer range, making it ideal for long-haul adventures or daily commutes without frequent recharging stops. Inside, the Compass prioritizes comfort and practicality. High seat bottoms ensure passengers enjoy ample leg support, even on extended trips, while the cabin provides enough room for 4 adults to travel in comfort. Cargo space, while not the largest in its class, is sufficient for everyday errands or weekend getaways. For towing needs, the Compass shines with a 2,000-pound capacity, outclassing competitors like the Honda CR-V and Volkswagen Tiguan. Starting at $27,495, the Compass delivers solid value with standard all-wheel drive and an 8.4-inch infotainment system equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers looking for added convenience can opt for the Latitude trim, which includes heated seats, a heated steering wheel, remote start, and more customization options, though only white comes as a no-cost paint choice. The 2025 Jeep Compass isn't just a refreshed SUV, it's a thoughtful evolution of a model that bridges rugged capability with modern innovation. Whether you're tackling trails or navigating city streets, this Compass is an ideal companion for those who crave adventure without compromising everyday usability. It's not just a vehicle, it's an invitation to explore, reimagined for the modern driver.